Alright, let's look at the homework 4.5, 4.6, number 9. Alright, so we have an equation involving natural log, and we want to use the implicit differentiation, find an equation of the tangent line at e, 1. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, first I'm gonna rewrite a little bit so that derivative is a little bit simpler. Right, y to the 7th power is this unchanged, and since you have a multiplication inside a log, we can split it as natural log of x plus natural log of y, right, is equal to 2. Right, now we can take the derivative. So we're going to take the derivative with respect to x. Alright, so derivative of y to the 7th power is 7 in front, y to the, subtract 1 from the power, so the 6th power. Since we're taking a derivative with respect to x, which is different from y, we have to multiply by dy over dx. Alright, then derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. Right, derivative of natural log of y is 1 over y. Then multiply by dy over dx. Then right hand side, derivative of 2 is 0 since it's a constant. Right? Okay, so I'm going to collect all the terms that has dy over dx, that have dy over dx. All right. So I'm going to factor out dy over dx. All right. Then you have 7y to the 6th power. Right, and then you have plus 1 over y. Right, so these guys are factored out. Right, then each one came to here and over there. Right, then is equal to, right, so I want to put all the terms, actually there's only one more term. We want to put this guy on the other side since this term does not have dy over dx. So by subtracting 1 over x, right? So you would have negative 1 over x on the right hand side. All right, so all you really have to do is divide through by this quantity right here so that we can isolate dy over dx. So divide through by quantity 7y to the 6th power plus 1 over y. Alright, so you have dy over dx is equal to, right, negative 1 over x over, right, 7y to the 6th power minus plus 1 over y. Alright, so let's find the so this is the dy over dx. Let's find the slope m. Right, slope m is simply take the derivative, which is dy over dx, then plug in the e comma 1, right, x is e, y is 1. Right, so if you plug it in, so it's a negative 1 over x, so it's e now, divided by, right, 7 times y is 1, so 1 to the 6th power plus 1 over 1, which is going to be, right, there's a negative sign right here, and on top there is 1. Right? E should be on the bottom. Right? Then here you have 7 plus 1. So that's just 8. Alright, so we have a slope here, and we also have a point. Point is given. This guy is our x1 comma y1. Right, so therefore I'm using point slope form, which is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Right, this guy is called the point slope form. Alright, using this form, we know that the equation is y minus y1, which is 1, is equal to m, slope is negative 1 over 8e, times quantity x minus x1 is e. Alright, let's multiply out. So I'm going to distribute this negative 1 over 8e to x. Right, so we get negative 1 over 8e x. Right, then you distribute negative 1 over 8e to negative e. So negative makes it positive. Right, then e's cancel out, so it's going to be positive 1 over 8. All right, and the last step is since there's a negative 1 on the left hand side, so I'm going to just add 1 so that we have y equals, right, negative 1 over 8e x. Right, 1 over 8 plus 1 is 9 over 8. Right, so that's the equation of the tangent line. Right, let's type it in. Okay, so the equation was negative 1 over 8e, right, x plus 9 over 8. Right, so let's check that. Submit for testing. Okay, it came back. Looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.